18-24 against the West. 3-1 hammered to deep left center field. Back is Cespedes. That is gone. Big fly for Mike Trout, and the Angels have a 2-0 lead.
Well, what do we just say? How difficult it is to back up your next start against a club you completely dominated the time before. Well, a little bit more patience, not swinging at that early fastball with movement out of the zone. Got in a great fastball count for Trout, and he did not miss this one. His second career home run against Bartolo Colon, a fastball that was up. Maybe a residual for the amount of pitches that Colon threw the last game out. But Trout made him pay for it. 17th home